Alright guys, I'm back. The burgers are done. And there they are right there. There's 2 chicken burgers right there. With that chicken seasoning. But now all I gotta do is just put the pickles on there and some ketchup, and it'll be good to go. Pickles. Do this one-handed. I think I can. Bam! Just like that. Guess that's everything I'm going to put on it tonight. Voila! Alright guys, gotta eat! Clean up the mess. But the weather has just been great here. It's like 75 degrees, 76 degrees out right now. It is nice. But generator's running great. Like I say, 1 pole, it's always running over there. And I just bring my cooler out because it's easier. Just grab stuff right there out of the cooler, put stuff back, and my little stand right there. Get the big light up there. Yep. Shining bright. Alright guys. Gotta get a rock star. That's right. We're missing something, huh? Are we missing something? I think we are. Oh yeah. Supper in a Walmart parking lot. You know it. Peace out.